Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to another video walk around here at Premier Auto Lounge, luxury auto dealer in Clearwater, Florida. I have a very special vehicle here for everyone today. Yes, this is a 4x4 G550 squared G-Wagon. 2018, only 10,000 miles. And if you've already caught it from the camera, this is matte black from the factory. Let's run over some of the numbers to see why this is such a special and rare vehicle. And yes, I do have the keys in my hand, ready to do a full walk around of this tank. So this vehicle weighs 6,900 pounds. This thing tows 7,000 pounds and is an absolute machine. Now, everyone loves the G-Wagon, of course. It's been the same design for many years. It's very iconic all around the world, but this one for sure is one of the nicest ones we have seen. This has brand new tires, brand new brakes, also has a full service ready to go. This is matte factory black from the factory. This has the quad exhaust on the sides as well. And when we get into the inside here in a bit, show off the beautiful black interior with all of the Napa suede. So where do we start? This is a 2018 with just under 11,000 miles. This is a Florida vehicle, and this one is matte factory black from Mercedes-Benz. They brought 300 of these to the US. Only 25 of them were in factory matte black. So this one sure is rare. It is a clean Florida title, and we're gonna be asking $189,000, and you can find us on our website, premierautolounge.com. We are also on all social platforms: TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google My Business, and you can see all the beautiful videos and walkarounds we do of our inventory, and we'll keep going on with this one as well. So this has a massive suspension, big shocks. This thing is a tank on the road. This will definitely turn some heads, and these are holding really good value. Right now, the G-Wagon 63 4x4 is on recall, so the G550 4x4s are holding really good value. So Mercedes did a great job of the interior here. Let's get out of the light. This has full full quilted Alcantara and suede. Heating seats on the rear. And as we go to the trunk, plenty of trunk space for after you just shopped at Louis Vuitton and want to put all of your goodies back here as well to show off in your G4x4 G-Wagon 4x4 squared. So this car, it's 11 miles per gallon, city and highway. Definitely not the best MPG, but a lot of miles per miles as well. This has the differential lock, of course, as any normal G-Wagon. This also has the full carbon trim on the inside and the AMG Sport steering wheel too. And we all love the actual sound of the Mercedes locking, unlocking, the doors opening, all that proper sound that is not in cars these days. That's why G-Wagon kind of went different on the 2025 model. They do have soft close. With these, you have to slam it shut. This car has over 460 horsepower. It tows 7,000 pounds and over. Just up to 7,000 pounds. And this car has just under 11,000 miles. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So this car sits at 10,944 miles. We'll get a full interior shot. No codes on the dash, no lights. Beautiful interior. Love the all suede steering wheel. And this also does have a nice big sunroof with Alcantara on the headliner. This one comes with heating seats, cooling seats, Harman Kardon radio, or Harman Kardon surround sound, and also some beautiful blue LED lights coming on the side as well. So this one sure is special. You can find this one on our website, premierautolounge.com. We're asking $189,000. You will definitely be one of the only ones in the Florida area, Tampa Bay area with one of these. There is also a sunbeam yellow and another one in regular black, but matte black, only 25 were made. So if you're looking for something exclusive, check us out, premierautolounge.com, and always remember, life's too short to drop a boring call. Thanks, and see you at the next video. All right, about to test drive the G-Wagon 4x4 squared.